Hello, forward-thinking founders and digital innovators. Today, we dive into a transformative approach to pitching your startup, interactive elements in digital pitch decks. Let's explore how integrating interactivity can revolutionize the way you communicate with potential investors. Imagine a pitch deck that goes beyond slides, where every click reveals a new layer of your startup's story. Start with embedding short, compelling videos that showcase your product in action, bringing your solution to life right before the investor's eyes. Incorporate clickable data visualization. Allow investors to interact with your market analysis, financial projections, and growth metrics. This not only makes your data more engaging, but also demonstrates transparency and confidence in your numbers. Consider adding live demos or interactive prototypes within your deck. This gives investors a hands-on feel for your product, making your pitch not just seen, but experienced. Remember, the goal of integrating interactive elements is to transform your pitch from a static presentation to an immersive journey. It's about creating an engaging narrative that invites investors to explore, question, and connect with your vision on a deeper level. But caution is key. Ensure that every interactive element adds value and clarity to your pitch, rather than distraction. Aim for seamless integration that enhances the investor experience without overwhelming them. By embracing interactive elements in your digital pitch decks, you're not just sharing information, you're creating an experience that leaves a lasting impression. Now, I'm curious to hear from you. How have you incorporated interactivity into your pitch decks? What challenges did you face, and how did it impact your engagement with investors? Share your stories, and let's inspire each other with innovative approaches to storytelling in the digital age.